It's a big dream. Glad I didn't fall.
Mary Beth Vollmer is on a mission.
Yes, yes, yes.
On this day, she arrives on the northern tip of Door County with other volunteers ready to preserve Plum Island's maritime traditions.
Okay, welcome everyone to Plum Island. Yay! Yay!
Mary Beth is not only a volunteer. She is on the board for the Friends of Plum and Pilot Island and the founder of Women in Preservation.
The Women in Preservation had gotten started by my introduction to some wonderful, wonderful women that just wanted to come and learn things and be part of this preservation work.
The idea came to her a few years back while working in the ruins of the old Plum Island Lighthouse.
And we were all sitting around and we were pulling out all the weeds. And we started talking about how some of us were retired, some of us were married, grandparents, just starting a family, and thought how great that this is for us to be working together.
Right then and there, Women in Preservation was born.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm Mary Beth. You're going to
Hi.
help us out?
I am.
Okay.
Wherever you put me, this time.
These are people who come from all over the place, from Chicago, from Milwaukee, and they give up their time to this restoration work. These instructions are awesome. Even I can follow them.
On this trip, volunteers will assemble Aldo Leopold benches to set out along the trails.
Let's get rocking, guys.
All right.
We have men that mentor us on how to use hand tools and saws and building materials and allow us to be part of this project.
So you want this hole to be bigger, this hole to be smaller so
Okay.
it bites.
All right. Bigger, smaller bites. Got it? Is it a women's movement? I think a little bit of it, yes. It's equality. It's seeing that women can be doing things that have been in the past relegated to men. They didn't treat me as a woman. No, I'm sorry, they did. But they didn't say, no, you can't do that because you are a woman. That's fine. I think if we make we arrange them in a couple of stations, then they can just come drill, 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 drill.
Right.
And without Mary Beth, other women wouldn't have made this same discovery.
I've learned about the strength that women have inside. Just because something looks so daunting, building a kiosk when this takes 6 people to lift it, never thought I would be able to do that.
For more than 150 years, these buildings were critical to navigation. Today, they are listed on the National Historic Register.
Which means that any type of preservation work that we do, we need to work with the state to assure that we are keeping it true to its vintage. You look like you're almost enjoying yourself, Kristen.
Just getting to play with power.
Okay, right here?
Yep.
Okay.
All right.
My beautiful workshop. The sun beating down on us. The lapping of the water. We don't need to have any kind of background music. We have it all.
Preserving the past on a remote island in the middle of the Green Bay National Wildlife Refuge can have its drawbacks.
There is no electricity. Cellular is not all that great either.
But that can really draw you in.
We're not checking our Facebook and our emails, and we're just being with one another. Look at that, guys. It's perfectly plumb.
The volunteers feed off of the natural energy in this island oasis.
It's a sanctuary. It's a refuge. It's a place to come to be recharged. The island was abandoned in 1990 from the Coast Guard, and every time that I come out here, I can see where Mother Nature is continually trying to come back. There's new wildflowers. There's new birds. There's so many monarch butterflies. We see how Mother Nature has just been so resilient and has rebuilt every time that she's been torn down. We can do that too. Whoa, yay.
That's good.
Okay, perfect.
Works a little better that way, doesn't it?
The Friends of Plum and Pilot Island have grand plans for this 325-acre stepping stone to the past.
Our plans are to be able to open the island from Memorial Day until Labor Day. Yahoo, our first one. This bench was built by the Women in Preservation and placed in honor of William J. Thomas. And William J. Thomas served on this island many years ago. So we're going to place him right over by the life-saving station. In the past, women came out here and we did weeding and we did women kind of things. Now we're building and we're restoring and we're learning these new skills. It's been a confidence builder for myself and the other women. When they come by on the ferry, they can say, I was there, I did that. The motto of the Women in Preservation is that no woman is to leave Plum Island without dirt underneath her fingernails and a learning experience within her soul.